here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Giovanni, and this looks pretty interesting. What are we doing here?
Well, I am super excited for this one.
Yeah?
Today we're making porchetta. You get a pork belly, you want to try to get it as equal as possible, right? The thickness. What I'm going to do is I'm going to prep my aromatics. Zest of lemon, zest of orange. I'm going to throw that right into a bowl. Fennel seed, some thyme, some rosemary, sage, crushed red pepper, and garlic. And I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna take all this, I'm gonna put it on here, and I'm gonna massage it all in. I just wanna push down a little bit, hit it with a little bit of salt. Might as well give it a little bit of pepper. I wanna start small, okay? Just like that, like a cigar. So now, there's a lot of different ways you could tie this.
Yeah.
I tie my meat like a chef. So I'll start there, and then I'll come around, and then again.
You've done this a couple times, I can tell.
A few times. The first one and the last one are the most important. So really, you're just trying to hold the shape as much as possible, cut off the excess, and it's nice and...
All together.
Right?
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna put this on the sheet pan. We're gonna throw it in the oven, 375, for the first hour and a half. For another half an hour, it's about 500. Look at that.
Wow.
Juicy, crunchy goodness.
So if you'd like to try this amazing thing going on here, head to our website, newspelm.com. You'll find the recipe there. Wow.